Hey guys, today we're playing Animal Gym again. I actually leveled up today, level 14. I'm doing a house tour, around this right now. I'm just doing, I'm officially an LPS YouTuber now. Slash Animal Gym tutor. You will see a bit of Roblox content, but most of it is just Animal Gym LPS. So yeah, because like most of the games I'm playing right now are just like roleplay games. And my laptop can support really high quality games. So yeah. Anyway, let's. So first, you know, what the? Oh my god! So we have a tiger, a large um tiger demon. No, we're our main is a tiger for now until we get ammo. And once you get new ammo, we'll get stuff because let's go. You know, we have a pawn. Like and we get the pawn. We can do that. Just kind of like sit and look at the pond for like 1 hour and just come back. You have a tiger section. I really like it. It's got some sapphires. Okay. Yeah, and once you walk in, walk in, feel welcome, please welcome. You see butterflies on the wall, right? Beautiful. We have a wolf thing on the wall. A wolf thing. I don't know. Then we have I like to put carpets on the wall because it's good. Especially because like I went to a carpet in like wall store. Oh my god. The carpets or walls were just so expensive I couldn't handle it. I just had to use carpets. No, the floor and walls are expensive, so I'm just using carpets for walls. And we have a lava lamp, but we have two seals just staring at the lava lamp. Let's join them. What am I doing? What am I doing? The heck was I? I don't know. Okay. Um, let's chill with them. Okay. Then if if you're just really tired one day, just sit down, chill out if you're monkey guy. Maybe watch TV from here because the texture doesn't really affect. Because that couch doesn't really TV. Just way chill, man. Way chill. And you probably just make your animal just sit there with you, you know. And then we have a yarn ball and a TV. Don't want what's behind that. And we have a sun window. We have a very totally comfortable chair. Um, um, you know, just a flower blocking your view watching TV. But then, like, I don't want to go outside, go to the pool, even though, right now it's like freezing outside. I want to go out on the pool. So, you see your garden that looks good because it's cold as heck. It has tomatoes, cabbages, carrots, onions, and oh, that's not okay. It's gonna win. Yeah, it's gonna pool. It's in the pool. It's in the pool. Dancing in the pool. Dancing in the pool. Dancing in the okay. Let's get to the video of more amateur content. I hope you enjoyed the video. Very, very good. know, yeah. I hope you enjoy this tour, and it was pretty small house. I'm trying to sitting on the piano. I forget the before. Yeah, that's the video. I hope you enjoy the video and keep on playing, and I'm looking at.